Good day everyone! Ngayon ipapakita namin kung paano namin sinagutan yung problem number 4 sa Colab exercise number 1. Bago natin sagutan, basahin muna natin yung problem. A 1.5 meter tall cylindrical tank, 1 meter in diameter, is completely filled with water. How long will it take to empty it with an open gate valve bursting at 300 ml per second? Una muna natin gagawin is ilista muna natin yung given. Una dyan ay yung height. Una dyan yung height equals 1.5 meter. Diameter equals 1 meter. At yung flow of water or yung speed niya equal 300 ml per second. Base sa problem, ang hinahanap natin ay yung time. At ang formula ng time ay distance over speed.